Hello children, welcome to the SST class of 3rd standard. Today is the third day of chapter 8, National Festivals. In the previous class, we had learned that Republic Day is the day when India adopted its constitution. Constitution is a book with rules and laws of a country. And we had also learned that we celebrate 2nd October as Gandhi Jayanti. Let's take the feedback through cross questions. When do we celebrate Republic Day? Where is the main function held on Republic Day? Whose birthday is celebrated as Gandhi Jayanti? When was Mahatma Gandhi born? What is Constitution? Children, I hope you are able to answer these questions. Let's discuss the key words related to the chapter. Scholar means a learned person. Dedicated means committed. Now children, it's a reading time. So open your book at page 40. Children's Day. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru's birthday is on 14th November. This day is celebrated as Children's Day all over India. He was the first Prime Minister of India after India got independence from British rule. Independence means being free. Children's Day is celebrated each year on November 14 in India as a tribute to country's first Prime Minister Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Nehru loved children very much. Children called him Chacha Nehru. On Children's Day, a lot of activities are held for children in schools. Children, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru was fondly known as Chacha Nehru among children. His love for children was immense. He considered that children are the upcoming future creators of the nation. He was keen about welfare, education and development of children in India. On Children's Day, schools organize various programs and different activities for children. Why do we celebrate Pandit Jawaharlal's birthday as Children's Day? We celebrate Pandit Jawaharlal's birthday as Children's Day because he loved children very much. Now children, next we are going to discuss is Teachers' Day. In India, Teachers' Day is celebrated on 5th September every year. It is the birthday of Dr. S. Radhakrishnan, who was the second President of India. In India, September 5 is celebrated as Teachers' Day to honor teachers for their contributions in shaping the life of students. September 5 is also the birth anniversary of Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan. He was the first Vice President and second President of India. He was born on September 5, 1888. He was a great scholar and teacher and he did a lot to spread education in India. Scholar means a learned person. At school, children offer flowers and wish their teachers. Children, Teachers' Day celebrations are held in each school all over India. It is the day to honor our teachers and show them how important they are in our lives. Many students give flowers to their teachers to show their love and respect towards them. The Government of India presents awards to teachers who have dedicated their lives to the education of children. Presents means gives. Dedicated means committed. Children. The government also gives awards to teachers for their contributions and hard work. Teachers are the channel of knowledge and intelligence. They are the most important parts of our lives who help us walk in the right path and hold the key to secure our future. What do you do on Teachers' Day at school? We offer flowers, chocolates, and wish our teachers on Teachers' Day. Children, all the citizens of India participate wholeheartedly in the celebration of national festivals and get filled with patriotic spirit. National festivals help us understand that we all are Indians. We should be proud of our country. In this chapter, we have discussed the three national festivals like Independence Day, Republic Day, Gandhi Jayanti, and we had also learned about Children's Day and Teachers' Day. I hope the topic is clear to you. Now, your homework is to read the topic again and solve the exercise given on the page 41 and 42. Thank you.